In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and knowledge seekers. You are watching Ashraf Botanical Garden. Very warm welcome to you. Viewers, today I am going to give you another aspect of trees and plants, their importance in our lives. You can see that these trees are used for thousands and hundreds of different types of birds and fauna. After foraging throughout the day, they spend night time in these trees comfortably and cozily. So plants and trees are not only giving us a lot of benefits, pure oxygen, they are absorbing our harmful gases like carbon dioxide, but also they are the homes for hundreds and thousands of different types of fauna. So we must care the trees, we must care the plants, we must propagate these trees and plants in order to make our lives beautiful, comfortable. You can see birds are returning home to stay in these trees. Viewers, I'm sure you have enjoyed today's video regarding this unique aspect of the trees and plants. Until some new and informative video, God bless you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz.